Let's take a look. Do you see this yellow light? It's an engine warning light. If it's on and you go to a repair shop, guess how much they might overcharge you? In this case, at a repair shop, they might suggest changing the oil, replacing gaskets, or even flushing the entire oil system. Today I'll show you how to fix it. You only need to spend a couple bucks to solve it. First, find the battery in the engine compartment. Plus is positive, minus is negative. Use a wrench to remove the screw on the negative terminal. Wait 10 seconds before reattaching it. Tighten the screw back on. The negative side is set. Now I'll start the car to see if the warning light goes out. If this helped, please give the video a like. Now for the moment of truth. Watch closely. 3, 2, 1, go. And it's gone. See? The warning light is out. Problem solved. Easy, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe.